water is perfect today.
Baila, baila sin parar, que la vida es un carnaval y las penas se van cantando.
The shaking won't stop.
Hurry, under the table. Hold on to me.
Stay down, everyone stay down.
Get down, cover your head.
Where is Michael?
God, it's getting worse.
This is no ordinary earthquake.
It's over, it's over. Are you okay? I can't believe we made it out.
Look, he's bleeding.
Major tsunami warning. Evacuate immediately.
Attention! A tsunami is approaching. Evacuate the coastal area now. Move to high ground immediately.
Major tsunami warning. Evacuate immediately.
Keep moving, hurry! Don't look back!
The sea is pulling back. Run, everyone, run! Hurry, run!
Far offshore, the displaced water begins rising, slow at first, then massive.
What is happening? Tsunami! We have to run. Come on, we're almost there. Keep moving.
I can't, I'm so tired!
Don't look back, just keep climbing. Help us! Somebody please send help!
We are here!
We're still here!
Help me! Someone please help! Is anyone there?
I recognize that street there. But nothing else remains.
Pull the lever now, hurry!
It's stuck! I can't move it!
The pumps are dead. We have total failure. The core temperature is still rising. It is already too late.
Evacuation zones expand rapidly. Entire towns are ordered to leave forever. Homes will never be returned to.
今朝警報が発令されました。
千葉に力願いくださいます。
Today we mourn the passing of John Smith, Jane Doe, Ali Abdullah, and Kim Min-jun.
It's coming along slowly.
Yeah. But nothing feels the same anymore, does it?
No. But we're still here.
Good morning. Hands please, right here. Welcome back to school.
The ocean looks calm again, but Japan remembers what it can become.
This was the day the world nearly ended, and the day humanity learned humility.